Dear students, standard 4. Today we will read the English grammar. So, junior grammar and composition book, you have to open page number 28. Today we will read the negative sentences. We know there are two types of sentences. One is positive sentence, another is negative sentence. So, we do negative sentences from the positive sentences. Yes or no? Or there are some positive sentences, we have to change their forms, then it will be the negative sentences. So there are some in negative sentences their tags become the positive. That means the tags becomes the positive. So here are some structures of sentences. Example, for examples, structures of sentence or tag. That means it is the form that subject be verb plus not. It is a negative sentence. How? I am not going. That means it is a negative sentence. So that subject is I, be verb is am, and not is added. So this is the structure of the sentences. Understood? So what will be its tag? Am I? That I am not going. I am not going. Am I? Like that. We are not watering the plants. So in this structure of sentences, we is the subject, be verb is are, and not is plus not. Understood? So structure of the sentences is subject, be verb plus not. So we are not watering the plants. Are we? Number 3. He is not reading. Is he? Mita and Geeta are not quarreling. Are they? Number 5. Prachurya was not sipping tea. Was he? So it is the structure of the sentence and the sentence, the tag. That means this sentence has this grammatical structure and its tag. It will be its tag. So like that, subject have plus not plus V3. V3 means past participle. So that I have not wasted time. Have I? Like that, he has not returned yet. Has he? Number 3. They have not gone to Puri. Have they? Number 4. Pranati had not cheated me. Had she? Number 5. The people had not coined slogans. Had they? So this is the be verb. This is the have verb. Do or does, how it is do or does structure of the sentence. That means subject do or does or did or not or verb 1 plus verb 1. I don't like watching TV. Do I? Subject is I, do is do, or does not V1 is like. V1 is like. So watching TV. Do I? Like that. Subject plus modal verbs plus not. I cannot count the stars. I cannot count the stars. That is subject is I. Cannot. Modals. Can is the modal and not is the not plus not. And this is the main verb, the stars. So can I? This is the subject, modal verbs plus modals plus not plus main verb. Dash is main verb. So that like that we should not break the traffic rules. Should we? You need not hurry. Needn't you? Need you? Number 4. He dare not ask me a question. Dare he? They will not agree to my proposal. Will they? So this is the this is the subject, modals plus not. So you come to the page number 29. Subject, do verbs. Subject, do verbs. Do verbs as main verbs. Do verbs as main verbs. I do my work. Subject is I, do plus main verb. Plus main verb is work. Understood? Don't I? Like that. Subject does plus main verb. How? He is the subject, does is does, his work is the main verb. So doesn't he? Subject did. So subject is she, did is did, work is the main verb. So she did her work, didn't she? So we have completed the do verbs as main verbs. Then we have to sentence having V1 plus V1 plus ES plus S oblique V2. That means subject is I go to market in the afternoon. Subject is I, go is the V1, V1 to market in the afternoon. To market in the afternoon. V1 plus do plus V1. So don't I, like that subject V1 plus ES plus S, he exercises in the morning. So does not he, subject plus V2 plus did plus V1, he scolded me, didn't he? So we have completed this. So this is the tax of the negative sentences, and the negative sentences, when it becomes tax, it becomes the positive. Understood? So that today we have completed the page number 28 and the half of the 29. That means up to here, up to this we have completed. Then we will read on tomorrow special rules. Special rules we have to remember. Tomorrow we will read it. Till then we have completed this, and you have to understand, or if not understanding, then let me know in our school app, or let me telephone me immediately. I will clarify your doubts. Otherwise tomorrow we will read the special rules of the negative sentences. Have a nice day, my students. Thank you.